Hey, I hope you guys are having a great day. This is the Travel Comber, and I just got back from the DreamMore Resort and Dollywood. Now, there's some questions I had prior to going that I think I want to answer for you guys right now, because you may have the same questions. For example, we got there early in the morning, but our reservation wasn't until later that evening. So the question was, can we park at the DreamMore Resort and head down to Dollywood? Can we use the trolleys? And where do we get our time saver passes? Well, those are questions I want to answer. So come on, join me right after this quick introduction. Holding your breath for anticipation. It's like holding your breath going through a tunnel. Anticipation, when is it going to end? In this case, when is this vacation going to begin? It's making me wait.
I can now breathe.
Anticipation, making me wait. Excitement is ready to come upon us. We were coming from Asheville. We just looked at Biltmore. What a beautiful piece of property. We hiked to Cleveland Stone. You know, we even hiked a little bit on the Appalachian Trail. Check that off on my bucket list. Now we only hiked a little bit of it. You know, we probably stopped and looked at all the gaps getting to Pigeon Forge. What a beautiful drive. The first view of DreamMore Resort. Wow! Even in the rain. What a magnificent hotel.
Look, a little bunny. Bunny in the road.
Say where butterfly or where bunnies. Look over there.
Where bunnies live.
It's the Warren.
Right there. That's where bunnies live.
The anticipation is starting to hit. How welcoming. It looks like the flower and food festival is upon us. This is why we came. The drive was smooth. The signs were clear. We knew where we needed to go. Now the question is, would the staff be welcoming? We noticed how the grounds were kept, clean and green. A straightaway, and like a NASCAR driver, a left turn, and we would be there. It was clearly marked where we needed to park. You saw the porters waiting for you. You know, it will be the porters that take your luggage up to your room. Be ready to tip. I think cash is good. The hotel does not provide luggage or trunk dollies. Maybe I should call it a carriage. Dollies mean something different at this resort. It's time to get out, go through the entrance, and check in. It's good that it's covered because it was raining.
Do we check in here?
Check in?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do like a soft check-in and get your ticket to Dollywood.
Right. Thank you.
Over a small bridge to the lobby. Time to start taking in the experience of DreamMore. Look at the little details they've given just in the entrance.
There you go.
If you just notice, there's somebody there to welcome you. I didn't walk up to her, but she's ready to guide you where you need to go.
How are you?
Good. Do we have reservations tonight?
Sure. And you far from home?
Yes. First time here. Hope the weather's a little better.
Well, usually here when it's calling for bad weather, it's not all day.
Okay.
So it kind of comes and goes, keeps the crowds down at Dollywood. And I will say another thing, with the mountains, sometimes it calls for the weather and it never actually comes here. I guess the mountains make it go around or something.
Oh, nice.
Just some tidbits there.
That was a really good tidbit.
Coming down.
But the rain did come. It didn't rain all day, and certainly didn't ruin our day. We just made fun of it.
Going down.
You know, we've done that with a Disney trip. We've done it with other trips. Rain doesn't stop us. It's just kind of a different experience. Plus, the lines are really, really short.
How many people in the room?
There's 4.
Okay, do you already have tickets?
We have tickets, but not our time savers.
Okay, so you're going to use this. The first trolley will leave at 9:30. So you can go down the sidewalk to the front of the parking lot to get on the trolley, show this to get on. When you get off over there, you'll show it, they'll give you your time savers.
At the park
At the
itself.
park, that's different. They changed it this year.
Okay. And how about rooms and getting contacted about my room being ready and all that stuff?
Well, we don't have like texting. They're working on that where the system will send you a text when it's ready.
Right.
We're probably looking maybe around 2-ish.
Okay.
I will say if it does start raining and you want to come back, we can see what we can do. Maybe get you in a little bit sooner.
Okay. Wonderful.
We didn't come back early. We just did things in the rain. Of course, I had that whole street of umbrellas. So hey, we were okay.
Yeah, you can do those there. When you get off the trolley, there'll be a ticket window there. Because you'll be at a special gate. You won't be at the main gate.
Okay.
But there'll be a ticket window. They'll take your pictures and all.
Well, awesome. Well, thank you. And we can come in here anytime we want
Of
to
course,
during
yeah.
the day.
Yeah.
If it gets really bad.
Yes,
around the rain
definitely.
and all that.
And when if it does get back, come back. Just stop here. We'll see where we are with your room.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I think I requested a pool view. I don't know if that type of room has one or not.
There's not many that do have that. I think there's like one. But I'll see what I can do.
And you know what?
Yeah, I just requested-
They gave us that one.
Yeah.
We had the most wonderful view of the pool and the mountains. Holy smoke, they did a great job.
I'll see what I can do for that.
Yeah, I appreciate that too.
Thank you, DreamMore. Thank you.
So they've given this pass right here. We're going to jump on the trolley. We're going to get our time savers passes down at the gate itself. They no longer do it here at the resort. So this pass will allow us to jump on the trolley, go down to Dollywood. At the reception area, they told us to come down here to the trolley and pick up the trolley down here. So that's what we've done. We'll walk down here and our trolley is going to be waiting in this area and head over to Dollywood.
They allowed us to park the full day that we arrived at DreamMore. They've given us that red pass to allow us to get on the trolley for the day that we arrive and the day that we leave. That card also is used to get your time savers pass. Don't lose it. Now we did. They replaced it. But, you know, it's to be kept all the days that you're there.
We're from Utah. From Utah.
Utah. Well, welcome aboard.
How y'all doing today?
Doing good. How you doing? Good. Brooklyn, Tennessee. Franklin, Tennessee. Finally, get somebody from town here. Man. Utah. Utah, Virginia. Michigan. Thinks he loves Michigan, but he's from Ohio. Orlando. Tampa. And Franklin!
When we left the park at 7, closing, we caught the same trolley driver, and he remembered us, and remembered us by our states. He said to my daughter, Virginia. He called me and my wife, Utah. But he remembered. That was kind of a cool little point.
That always seem to win and brag about it. No kidding. We're going to Krispy Kreme! Get some sugar.
We didn't stop at Krispy Kreme's, but I wish we did. It was time for a snack, I think. But we had cinnamon bread waiting for us.
Take a good look around, make sure you haven't left anything behind. Welcome to Dollywood! Dollywood! Go to the big white tent, folks. Thank you. And don't forget.
I'll put your bag.
We had email receipts for our tickets, so it's time to turn those in, and that was easy to do. There was no line at the ticket booth. We received those tickets and got into line.
We need to go get our COVID.
They should be able to scan it from the...
Let's go to the ticket booth, I think.
She has a ticket. No, she just doesn't have the... I don't have
We had
Well,
two
get
ladies
mine,
waiting
what's that?
for us to give us our time savers passes. We showed them the red card. They marked off that we were there on Monday and promptly gave us those time savers. We didn't use them. Didn't have to. 0 wait time on a rainy day. So they hand us the time savers. Put it around our neck and we're ready to go and use them. But like I just said, it was a rainy day. We never had to use it because I tell you, it was just walk on every ride. Now, they said if we did not beep it in that day, we could use it on a different day. That there was not going to expire for the season. Now, don't take my word for it. I would go and ask them. But that's the information they gave us. So we were there for 2 days. We got 2 time savers that we didn't use. Because the next day was the same thing. Still got the rain, still had no wait, we had a great time, and now we have 2 time savers that we didn't use. So I think we might try it next time we go to see if we can beep them in and use them. Again, they said, hey, use them a different day. Then it was just a quick check through security. Take everything out of that bag. They want everything out. I had to take all my cameras out, put them back in, but it's quite easy to get through there. Now they let us in about a half hour early, so we got a chance to look around before we had to jump in the rides. And they opened the rides exactly at 10 for us, so at 9:30 we got a chance to look around with basically nobody there. Then it was time to have a great day at Dollywood. Take a moment to subscribe, hit that like button, get that notification bell. This is the Travel Comber, signing off.